Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can add together audio signals, which is essentially mixing together. So in digital signal processing, if we wanted to mix two audio streams, we simply add the two streams together. There are several ways that we can actually implement this in MaxMSP. Perhaps the most straightforward one is if we do some direct routing. So if I click on the output of this channel and then the output of that one and send it to the same place, at this point the two signals would be mixed. So what I've got here in this patch is I've got a sine wave oscillator using cycle at 400 Hertz, and that's feeding this live gain, so it means that I can display the level that we got and then we can change the gain of that, and that output's there. And then I've got a second one virtually the same, except it's generating a signal at 800 Hertz. So the outputs of these two are connected to the same point, which basically essentially mixes them together. So if I run this by locking and then pressing my sine wave, we can hear, we can change the volume of either one, we can actually mix them two together. So we'll remove that. Now the slightly more elegant way of doing that, if we remove these traces, is if I select the audio line, delete it, and select that one and delete it, and then if we use the add operator to add two signals together. So I place that in there, and what will happen with this is it will expect a audio signal, this input, and then that output, and the output would be a mono stream of the two mixed together. So I simply route the output of this one to here, and then the output of that one to this channel, and then I can output them both. So if I mix this, we can see that we have got a mix of the two signals going on there. And remove that. And the third most probably powerful one is if we use the matrix. Which is somewhere on there. There we go, an MSP Matrix. And that allows us to mix any inputs to any number of inputs to any number of outputs. And we'll be looking at that in another video.